Hello guys, good day to everyone. Share ko lang sa inyo how it is windy and chilly, rainy today. Hello guys, kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Ito po si Owen Freds. Muli papakita ko lang po sa inyo ngayon kung anong klaseng weather tayo meron na fall season, very windy and rainy day. Yes guys, very thankful for this beautiful day kahit windy, chilly at talaga namang maulan. Okay, this is how it looks like. It is chilly, rainy day today. Hello guys, time check. It's 11:30 a.m. Thursday. It's November 11 and it is chilly, rainy day today. Look at all those leaves. The leaves are falling off the ground and they carpeted the ground. Look how beautiful po all the leaves. The fall color. Yan. Yan, oh. Ooh, look at that. Rainy, chilly day today. Fall. Ayan guys, umuulan din ang mga dahon. So ayan guys, sumabay pa itong ulan sa napakalamig at windy day na ito. Cold, fall, rainy, chilly day. Ayan, too cold and damp today. Cold. Yeah. At yan guys, naging carpet na yung mga dahon sa ating ground for today. Ayan guys, na nakikita nyo, sige lang ang lagas ng mga dahon. The vivid leaves carpeted the yard, the ground. And look at the different colors of the leaves, windy and rainy today. Here we go, folks. Ayan guys, the beauty of fall, iba't ibang kulay ang mga dahon. Ayan guys, it's getting too cold. Yes, thank you Lord. It's still a beautiful day. Okay guys, I will get back inside the house. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.